Hey everyone, let's talk about shoulders. They're more important than you think. Strong, mobile shoulders help you move freely. They power your workouts and everyday activities. But many of us experience stiffness, tightness, even pain. This can really hold you back. The good news is you can improve your shoulder health with simple exercises. We're going to focus on one amazing exercise today, the wall angel. It's easy to do, requires no equipment, and delivers incredible results. Ready to unlock your shoulder potential? Let's do this. Don't let shoulder discomfort limit you. Join me as we learn this fantastic exercise and take a step towards a healthier, happier you. The wall angel is a fantastic exercise for improving shoulder mobility and strength. It's gentle yet effective, making it suitable for all fitness levels. Here's how to do it with perfect form. First, find a wall. Stand with your back flat against the wall, feet shoulder width apart, slightly away from the wall. Next, bend your elbows and raise your arms to shoulder height, pressing your elbows and wrists against the wall. Imagine you're making a W shape. Then slowly slide your arms upwards, keeping your elbows and wrists glued to the wall. Go as high as you can without pain. After that, slowly slide back down to the starting position. That's it. Repeat this movement for 10 to 15 repetitions. Remember to breathe deeply throughout the exercise. Focus on smooth, controlled movements. You should feel a nice stretch in your chest and shoulders. If you experience any pain, stop and consult with a healthcare professional. Regularly practicing wall angels can bring amazing benefits to your overall well-being. Let's explore how this simple exercise can transform your life. Improved posture. Wall angels strengthen the muscles that support your upper back and shoulders. This helps counteract the effects of slouching and improves your posture, making you look and feel more confident. Increased mobility. By gently stretching and strengthening your shoulder joints, wall angels enhance your range of motion. This makes everyday activities easier and more enjoyable, from reaching for objects to playing sports. Reduce pain. If you experience shoulder pain or stiffness, wall angels can be your new best friend. They release tension, improve circulation, and promote healing, providing much-needed relief. Incorporate wall angels into your daily routine and experience these incredible benefits for yourself. Your body will thank you. You know, I've seen firsthand how small changes can lead to massive transformations. One of my clients, Sarah, struggled with chronic shoulder pain from working long hours at a computer. She felt limited in her daily life and honestly, just didn't have the energy to pursue her passions. So we started incorporating wall angels into her daily routine, along with a few other simple exercises and lifestyle changes. And within just a few weeks, Sarah noticed a significant improvement in her shoulder mobility and a real reduction in pain. She felt more energized and confident, and she was finally able to get back to the activities she loved. Sarah's story is such a powerful reminder that you don't need drastic measures to see incredible results. Consistent small steps can really make a world of difference. So, what small step will you take today to unlock your full potential? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing health and fitness tips. Wall angels are just the beginning of your journey towards a healthier, happier you. There are honestly countless ways to move your body, improve your well-being, and unlock your full potential. What are you curious about? Maybe strength training, flexibility, or even stress reduction? Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to learn more about. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Keep moving, keep exploring, and never stop believing in your ability to achieve amazing things. Until next time, stay active, stay positive, and keep shining. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the joy of movement together.